They have jerseys there. All sorts of jerseys.
Check it out.
Almost. Is a big brand, huh? Don't see Belgium. Don't see Belgium there. Yeah, they did.
Like an
I did appreciate that they... Doesn't matter. I'll put it on my left. To me, it doesn't matter which side, really. You just have to know. It's too hot this part, so... Are you ready now? Yeah. Not many people dare attacking you during the day. All these stories that you hear of people took place at night when people realize that or didn't know. It's always interesting to hear kids trying to explain the stories.
There's a drone there, really sky.
I can't see anything. I do not see. Oh yeah. I see.
It's going fast, wow. Maybe it might be also how they keep the coast safe.
Wow. Or people are just using it. It could become a skill in itself.
I see it. It's coming back actually.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's coming back.
Have you taken a picture of it?
No, I cannot find it. It's going too fast.
Would you like me to try?
No. Not needed. It's not the prettiest thing.
We do have a video where we sat somewhere. We're just watching the beats.
Excuse me, hola.
Hola. There's a guy on those steps. I wish I could know all African languages.
There's many.
Yeah, Africa is big.
It's also possible in the tropical hotel that if you find one you really like, they may still be able to get a video actually for you.
Yeah, I think we definitely need to. I'm sure they probably open until late at night.
Late, maybe not, definitely 7 till 6, I would say.
You want to hold the GoPro? Maybe I can take the camera.
Put it on this one. Because I'm gonna get the tennis elbow. Keep carrying this.
Yeah, but if it's hurt, it's hurt. You don't have to.
That's why I moved my hand.
Yeah. You carry the camera to take pictures. So. Your guys is coming, still talking on the phone with his motorbike.
The wild one?
Yeah. There.
I start to know what he's about.
Of course.
They're getting bigger and bigger. bigger effect here, the palm trees. Soon look such great shade here.
Oh, let's hope so.
Although palm trees don't create much shade, because the leaves are kind of open.
They give a sense of I don't think this existed before Siri came here.
Well, this used to be a volleyball stuff.
Yeah.
They seem to have moved onwards here.
I think they've kept it, but then they've created. Yeah.
More contained.
Nice music, actually.
Yeah. Hello. You want to go to Cristiano's or to that beach house?
Let's go to that beach house. Till then we can sit.
Again? No, it's a bit too early.
Too early for who? You're not tired?
We've only walked 10 minutes, not even, since we had lunch.
Oh.
I would go there first, then on the way back to the beach house, but yeah.
Yeah. Why do I feel like I've
Well,
done such an effort?
You promised yourself a year ago
Yes.
you would not have beer until 4 p.m.
Well, that was before my